friends, it's Miss Drywa. So I'm going to give you your final phonics assessment in the 4th grade. How crazy is that, friends, that you're already done with 4th grade? We're going to have 2 weeks off and then you'll be on to 5th grade. That's so exciting, and I'm so proud of all of you because this year was not like any other. But let's get started. So I have your words and your sentences, and remember, if you need to pause, fast forward, rewind, whatever you need to do during this, you may to take the test. So your first word is split. Split. We split the cookie evenly. Split. Split. Okay, number 2 is spring. Spring. The spring in the mattress poked me. Spring. Spring. Number 3, scrub. Scrub. I had to scrub the floor to clean up the mess. Scrub. Scrub. Number 4, strap. Strap. The strap on my backpack broke. Strap. Strap. Number 5, splash. Splash. When I jumped into the pool, there was a big splash. 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 Number 6, sprint. Sprint. When we play tag, we have to sprint to get away. Sprint. Sprint. Number 7, scrap. Scrap. I used scrap paper to draw my picture. Scrap. Scrap. Okay, number 8, strong. Strong. We run in gym to keep our hearts strong. 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 Number 9, string. String. I held onto the string of my kite so it didn't blow away. String. String. And number 10, strand. Strand. A strand of hair fell out of my ponytail. Strand. Strand. All right, so your words, friends, this week I'm going to go now in order from 1 to 10. Split. Number 2, spring. Number 3, scrub. Number 4, strap. Number 5, splash. Number 6, sprint. Number 7, scrap. Number 8, strong. Number 9, string. And number 10, strand. All right, friends, great job. Have a wonderful weekend.